Okay there everyone, so let me tell you why you should purchase a step-down ring if you own ND filters or polarizers of a different thread count. So here I have the PhotoDiox 77-72 thread, which is a step-down ring. I have two products of Zombie ZOMEI ND filter and polarizer. I also have the IRIX 150 micro lens with a 77 thread, which we're going to mount on a step-down ring, and the front element is actually 67. So the 72 ND filter or polarizer is going to be well efficient enough to provide us what we need. Now the only thing that I need to do is add on this PhotoDiox 77-72 step-down ring. And the reason why I purchased this is because I'm saving $84 without purchasing another ND filter or a polarizer, which can cost up to $50, and in some cases $100. But warning, I'm not sponsored by Zombie or IRIX lenses or PhotoDiox to do this video. Now in the video clip B-roll, as you can see, I'm having difficulty, so you may have difficulties trying to thread this onto your lens because it can be a little bit dry, a little bit stiff. But once you are able to actually get the ring adapter onto the lens, please do not over tighten it because it would get stuck, and trust me, I had that experience already. So, and when you add any polarizers or ND filters to the ring adapter, please don't over tighten those onto the ring adapter as well. So keep that in mind. But here are the benefits. 1. Save money. 2. Slim and stylish profile. 3. I'm also able to use my lens hoods with my lenses with an adapter to the lens. And in some cases with that, like I said, with the Tamron SP 90mm micro lens, I'm not able to do that, but with the IRIX lens, I'm able to do that. Kudos. So this ring adapter is going to fit this particular variable ND filter, which is an 8 stops. So we're going to add this, and I'm going to show you some video results so you guys can see the before and after, so you can see it real world. All of this is shot in 4K, so you guys can see how clean the footage is and also what are the differences. Now some people may say and argue about how you don't need to buy ND filter, just increase your shutter speed, and sometimes that doesn't work out, especially in bright conditions. So ND filters do work, and I definitely recommend saving money this way buying step down rings if you're looking for that particular step down ring of yourself, and they do have step up rings as well. So